Bruh.
Do it! Just do it! You know I'm about to smoke. Okay.
Those are mine. This is mine. Daddy, this is mine.
We got the go-kart. What you got out here today, Daddy? That boy dying up. What you got, bro? Tell him about the wheel.
It's a go-kart.
It's a go-kart.
Where my car?
Go ahead and grab them right there. Well, these may be good, but I'm your guy. You got some good ones. He getting hit dirt by next, y'all, so we gearing up. That ain't gonna be a 4-wheel or the TTR90. You about to go on the train. That boy, yeah, man, I see what's going on. That boy Donnie done popped out today. He needs some new front tires, but we gonna get him right. You know, nice little, yeah, man.
Yeah, run it up, yeah. Yeah. Step by this spot, which car I'ma whip. AP your roller, which one on my wrist? All of these bitches, which one I'ma get? Which one? Might switch it up, baby. Hellcat on the rate. Fly you out, PJ. Too many racks, gotta switch the spot up on the stage now. Which word? So many diamonds, so many needs. Step up my class and my check up the season. So many guys with your mama no reason. So many guys I don't think that it's cheating. Got on my map, but don't tell them I'm eating. Got what the schedule, I catch them as beating. It's so deep right on the engine, I'm leaving. Which one the fun and the bigger be feeding. Switch up the ball.
Nope.
What? You gotta get his go-kart right, y'all. My boy down there changing that bull. Look at him, I'm so proud. I'm a proud father right here, y'all. Damn, my boy got tools in his hand, y'all. Oh my God. I'm such a proud father right now, y'all.
Oh my God.
What did you just do, bro? What'd you do? Tell the camera, bro. This YouTube, tell them what you just did.
Nothing.
This man just dropped the boat in the oil, y'all. Lord, just dropped the boat in the oil. Pay no worry, we're gonna pour it out. Don't worry, we're gonna pour it out and get it there. That's how you do it. Got it. This man done pour all the oil out. Jesus. Take your time, make sure you put it in nice and slow so you don't strip it. Let me feel it first, let me feel it. Needed some hands sometimes, but this is what we looking for. Y'all see I got the box. The box that's ready to go at all times. They tell me to pull up, rest to go.
Stop.
NW40 on deck.
Capping by the game, bitch, don't do that. 20 shooter, pull up, push your crew back.
Hold on, double check. This is always double check. Make sure your oil say the same. 10W40. What this one say over here?
10W40.
Boom. Always, no matter if it's a different company, different color bottle, as long as it say 10W40, it's the same. Look at that oil. Brand new. You see how your oil look compared to that?
You on my slide, got a Chanel on my eye, over a deal on one side. I ain't no telling no lie. Who wanna smoke, we gon' smoke it out. From the right drum, ain't no folding out. Switch my plug cause he holding out. You know what he holding out. Nigga be cheesecake, hit him on switchy. Gotta sleep with my eyes closed. But the nigga tryna get me. I'm around with the BB. Big shot for the 2-3. Then I rock at the too, do you know I ain't leaving? I do this shit for my niggas that's no longer breathing. Cap.
Yes, sirski. I like these right here, man, you know. Yeah, man, little pit bike day. So, smoking them on that go-kart. He don't want no smoke. That guy behind the wheel. He ready.
Go real fast.
That girl was hit the tree. I see. He be capped up.
You see that?
No.
I think.
Try to go. Back brake. Braking hard. Front brake. You about to switch your gear. Remember what I told you? We about to switch gear, we spinning that hard. On the front brake. Now. Yup. See how that feel? Now you ain't gotta worry about that no more. Now, all we gonna be worrying about, that's how it's gonna stop us. After we roll off, we gonna let that up. So put your foot up on the peg. I'ma cheat right now. I'ma hold you up a little bit. Real, yup, get the feel of it. Real gentle. Real gentle. Yup, you see how it feels?
Daddy, look.
I can't, I'm trying to teach her. Back brake a little bit. See, that's hard.
Kicking this shit like Miyagi. Niggas need this to keep that shit from around me. They don't keep talking, I know they gon' down me. That boy wet like a napkin from Bounty. Torn this shit down, why the fuck is you shouting? Got a new chain, but your diamond look cloudy. Still on the road, bitch, I'm still in the county. 2, 3 shits and some shots from the Audi. Fuck all you niggas who bought it out. Get you a baby, you can't live without. Let me stay every play every hour. 100 stacks up and they tall as a tower. Shoes on my feet, double C look like powder. 24K with the team of the hour. Once we got money, then we got the power. Still in the mud, but we ducking them showers.